Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can withdraw money from your Robinhood debit card. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then click on this profile icon from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to click on this three-line icon at the top of your screen. Then from this menu, you have to click on this transfer option, and from here click on this transfer money option. Now on this screen, you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to withdraw from your Robinhood debit card. And after that, you have to click on this from option, and from this list of accounts you have to select your spending account because your debit card is linked to your spending account. If you withdraw any money from your spending account, it will also withdrawn from your debit card. You have to select your spending account, and then in the two section you have to select your bank account or any other account where you want to transfer money. And after that, you can also select your transfer speed, and once you do that, click on transfer, and your money will be withdrawn from your Robinhood debit card. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.